Well, according to the Huntington Library, 2020 really stinks. And hey, they can give you at least one reason why. Check out this live stream of the corpse flower starting to bloom at the library. It's a really cool sight. It almost feels kind of wasted when no one can be there to get the real experience of the bloom in person, which is the smell. It's been compared to the aroma of rotting meat. The Huntington Library is going to keep this live stream up so people can at least watch the whole process, which nobody knows exactly when the flower will bloom, and it's extremely rare that it does bloom. It can reach more than 8 feet in height and 4 feet in diameter. It's been called the world's largest flower. Katie Johnston for CBS LA.